Hi friends, I'm Amy from Amy Latta Creations, and I'm so excited to be teaming up with Scorch Marker again to bring you a fun and festive Valentine's Day project. I've created a special set of Valentine stencils that are available on the scorchmarker.com website, and I hope you're going to love them for your Valentine projects as much as I do. For making this project today, our Valentine wooden bead garland, you'll need the stencil set, of course, a Cricut or other electronic cutting machine, and some removable vinyl, along with your basic supplies. Those include assorted sizes of wooden beads, red, pink, and white paint and paintbrushes. You're also going to need a wood slice, jute or twine, scissors, a Scorch Marker Pro, and a heat tool. The heat tool should be at least 1000 watts of power, if not more. If you don't have one of these though, no worries, you can use your oven, heat it to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. The first step in creating our project is that we're going to paint our beads in whatever colors you like. You can use reds, pinks, whites, and of course you can leave some natural as well. Then we're going to string the beads once they're dry onto a strand of jute or twine. You can make this as long or short as you like. I tend to keep mine between about 14 and 18 inches in length. The next step is to tie a jute tassel on one end, and you can add some festive ribbon if you like. And now comes the fun part. We're going to make the decorative end by burning one of the Scorch Marker stencils into our wood slice. To do this, you'll choose your favorite of the stencils, maybe one of the hearts or the XOXO, and size it to fit your wood slice in Cricut Design Space. Next, you'll send your design to the Cricut machine and cut it from a piece of removable vinyl. Once the cut is complete, you're going to weed your vinyl. This means you're actually going to pull away the design so that you're left with the negative image. Next, you're going to use a piece of transfer paper, which is a clear sticky adhesive, to help you transfer the stencil all in one piece onto your wood slice. Place the transfer paper on top of your design, rub it to make sure it's adhered, and then peel it away from the vinyl backing. Transfer your stencil to the wood slice right in the center, rub it to adhere, and then remove the transfer paper. Now it's time for the wood burning fun with the Scorch Marker Pro. Your marker has two tips. We're going to use the bullet tip end today. If your marker is new, make sure that you shake it well and then press the tip onto a piece of scrap paper until the ink starts to flow. Now, use the marker like you would any other marker to color inside the stencil directly onto the wood. Peel away your stencil and you'll see where the Scorch Marker has contacted the wood. It's going to look wet and slightly pink. Now it's time to apply heat. Either place your project in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit until you see a color change, or use your heat tool. You want to move the heat tool continuously to make sure to avoid hot spots. As the ink heats up, it's actually going to have a chemical reaction which causes the ink to burn into the surface of the wood. This burn is permanent and it's also food safe. But the good news, if you make a mistake, is that you can always sand it away and then try again. Once your design is burned into the wood slice, you're ready to go. Feel free to add any kind of sealer that you like to protect your wood burn. Then you're going to tie your wood slice onto the end of your wooden bead garland. Now your festive garland is complete and ready to decorate your home for Valentine's Day. For more inspiration and holiday project ideas, as well as fun things to create all year round, please come visit me at amylattacreations.com. And of course, don't forget to stop by scorchmarker.com to order your Scorch Marker and wood slice supplies and to grab that stencil download. The stencil download is actually free right now if you use the code in all lowercase I love stencils. So grab that deal while it lasts. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to come visit at amylattacreations.com.